Hi guys, well, we're just about to tell you about another adventure we went on to. We left the Snowy Island man to go on a caravan adventure in North Wales. And needless to say, it turned out into a mission. Please join us to find out what we got up to, where we went, how long it took, and any hassle we had whilst doing it, and any fun we had whilst we was doing it. Looking forward to letting you know all about it. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Scenes of chaos on the breakfast area. Well, just we had this morning, Gary had an accident.
No, I'm not doing it this morning.
Carrot got mushed. There's a bit of leaf there and there's a bit down there. That's the remains of a carrot that Donna smashed up. There it was, doing 60 miles an hour, it Donna. Done. Orange juice, that was smooth until she started drinking. It's all bitty now. What's that say? When you turn milk sour, I think you turn orange juice bumpy as well.
Just deal with the porridge, you.
I'm dealing with the porridge. This is the porridge. It's like molten lava. Bloody as hot as it as well, I bet you. Say when?
When? Well, that's probably more than I need, but...
Well, you got it now, tough.
Banana and a hint of carrot. Okay folks, it's good morning. We're just getting ready to leave Blakemere Caravan Park. So I'll give you a quick, and it will be quick. There we are, parked up. There's the gates. Front office. There's quite a lot to do here. As in, there's a little shopping place where you can go for artisan things, and there's 3 little pubs or bars or restaurants there, like cafes and things. One that stays open till 9 at night, but doesn't serve food, I believe, which seems a wasted opportunity for me. But hey ho, who am I to say? Pink job coming up. Brakes, winker, other winker, both. Yeah, okay. Hi folks, I know it's a lot of me and not much of Mike, and I'm not funny, but we've dropped the caravan off and we've got a 4-hour wait now. So we are at a garden centre and it's pretty chilly. Mike's wearing short sleeves, he's not quite with it. And we're going to go and see if we can take the dogs in, because we've got a nice little cafe here. We've been here before in the past, but we sat outside and had breakfast, a full cooked breakfast, when we were staying in the Royal Vale.
Huh?
Oh, you turned it on?
Yeah. Do we see you? Yeah, good job.
He has to involve the doggos. Just waiting for full English. Mike's being a bit more sociable now. Now we've got off the campsite. He's not moaning at me. Look at that face.
Give me a chance, I'll find something.
Just thought I'd let you know. He does smile. Hi guys.
Hello guys.
We're back. I don't think I took a photograph of our food. Sorry. But we got talking to some people on the table next to us, and we ended up getting pies as well. So when we arrive at Lady Margaret's Park tonight, food is sorted.
Tea sorted.
Yeah, food is sorted, so we don't have to worry about that. We're loaded to bear, as you can see. And don't know what we're going to do now, because we've still got a few hours to kill. So I think it's going to be a case of
2 hours.
Go to Lidl or go to the supermarket and get...
Why do you want to go to Knutsford?
I don't really. It's just a case of I know I want some beaner for me, and I want...
Well, let's go where we can get it. Don't sell beaner in bloody Lidl.
Okay.
I mean, there's
Okay, don't know where we're going to end up,
well,
so
where's
we will
Morrison's?
see.
There's Morrison's.
You're asking me, and I have no idea. Morrison's.
Is it
I'd
one in
say
Winsford?
Winsford. Yes, of course, Winsford.
Whereabouts in Winsford?
By the Ford garage.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah. So we're heading to Winsford then, folks. We're feeling very full.
There's the actual name of the shop.
Oh, let me take a picture. One sec. He's cold. His Arthur and his fingers are hurting.
I'm cold.
He's cold, but he's wearing a short sleeve shirt. What does that say?
Stay warm, it's okay.
I will do.
Could have got and done it whilst I was in the shop.
No, it's too cold.
Too cold.
I wasn't born yesterday. I'm not silly. Who wears a short sleeve shirt in this weather? I feel sorry for him now, I must be honest. But there you go. There's a man doing a blue job. Well,
Hi guys.
guess where we are? You're not going to tell him?
In England.
Guess where we are?
Hello guys, how are you doing? It's really nice to see you all. I've been told off for not being cheerful and saying hello as soon as Donna puts the camera on. So hello. And how the hell are you doing? I've been in the garage buying gadgets. Yeah. What is it? Humidifier bag. Why? Because the heater's not working in this car properly.
It works intermittently.
I'm trying to get the windscreen to the mist when it's cold and we're damp, it's hard. So, want something to help. And it's a gadget. And men love gadgets.
This man does.
Most men do, babe. Look at your son.
Hey
Look at
folks,
your oldest.
what do you think to my resin in?
Resin in.
There's me little pot.
Yeah, she does some resin. Some resin art.
There you go.
What's the drinks with a straw in it? A soap dispenser. She's put my face. It's a soap dispenser, really.
I know.
Looks pretty. Well done, Donna. Looks good, babe.
Thank you.
She's also done some. What are they? Coasters.
Coasters.
That's her favourite thing at the moment. Coasters. She loves doing coasters.
It's not because I love doing coasters. It's just because the kids have all asked me for some.
It's easy. I just took 1 minute.
Right.
Yours not come off, has it? Not loosened. Mine has.
It hasn't.
That one has.
I've just had a Cadbury's cream egg and it was yummy. And I'm trying to cut down.
Yeah, she's only having four a day now.
Not working.
You wish.
Yeah, I do wish.
No, it's not a date.
It's out of date.
Yeah.
You're joking me.
31st of 7/23.
It's not the 7th of the 23rd, darling. We're in the year of the 23rd, but it's only March of this year.
So she's told a month for it now, and that's buggered her up. I get told off for saying the time and the date. Because she was trying to do a vlog recently, and I was saying, hi folks, and today is Tuesday of what month? And then when she was putting it all together, and Ed said, why do you have to say the dates? Because I have to put them in order now. So I will no longer say what date it is, except within the 21st century. I'll let Donna adjust and finalise the dates. It's enough to know that I'm here, alive and kicking, at least with one leg.
Causing trouble
I don't cause
all the time.
I don't cause trouble, do I? Foil it.
Foil it?
Yeah. Oh, either foil it or foil it. Anyway, we're waiting around at the moment because we've got to.
We're bored as well, if you haven't guessed.
We've got to put the caravan up in an hour and 20 minutes.
So Mike's going to go and get us a coffee now.
I was going to sleep first, but I'll get a coffee because it'll be too hot to drink.
Yeah.
Thinking.
So Mike's going to get us a coffee.
Got a
I'm going to
coffee?
take the doggos round the car park.
Do you want a coffee or do you want
A mocha, please.
oat milk?
Oat milk mocha, please. And then he's going to have a snooze. His nickname's Noddy. And that's why.
Oh, joke aside, my kids know it can be that quick.
Yeah.
Anyone knows me knows it can be that quick.
Yep. We do.
Right, babe.
See you in a minute, folks.
Oh, pardon me. Bye. 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 Goodbye. Goodbye. Baby dear, wipe the tear from your eye. Now it's hard to part, I know. I'll be tickled that... Oh, go on, just turn the bloody thing off.
Oh my goodness, folks, it's so cold. I hope they hurry up and get the caravan done so we can get to Lady Margaret's Park and get settled in for the day. Get the heating on and get snuggy and warm. See you in a minute. Right, folks, hi.
Evening.
Yes, good evening. Again, miserable evening, lots of rain.
And again, we'll be setting up probably in the dark tonight because we had the caravan service a bit late. Apparently hour full, so we've talked to people for about 20 minutes.
Turn right, then take the second right.
We're on our way now to Lady Margaret's Park, Chirk.
And as you heard, they were just turned off the A49 to the A534.
And hopefully it'll be a relatively stress-free journey down there. And we'll set up pretty quickly. Dogs are sat in the back of the car, poor little mites, again. But they've had a few little runs today. Not that we've videoed it, I'm sorry, because we've seemed to have been all over the show.